This footage captures real law enforcement actions and may be difficult to watch for some audiences.
Hey, what's going on, buddy? You take anything?
From roadside chaos to a full-scale trafficking case, sometimes a disabled car call turns out to be anything but routine.
Hey, what's going on, buddy?
One Alpha 44 Central.
44.
Can you start me rescue, please? He's definitely on something.
I copy that.
Hey, what's going on, man? You take anything?
Your mom is.
Hey, what's going on, man? Here. Hey, relax, man. Relax. Hey, sit in the car real quick, okay? Sit in the car real quick.
Don't close the windshield.
Hey, hold on. Hold on. Hey, relax.
41.
Relax.
November, Lima, Quebec, Kilo.
Can you step out for me? Relax. Relax. 44 Central, give me the channel. Stop. 44 Central, where's my second? Come here. Stop. Stop.
Working alone on the roadside, deputies face unpredictable situations, especially when the suspect's condition is uncertain.
Give me your hand.
Here, the deputy maintained control
Put your other hand behind your back.
despite the suspect's drug-fueled resistance, and did so without escalating force.
Relax.
44, I'm holding down
relax.
so you get another unit on.
Yeah, keep me the channel. He's still fighting. Relax.
On the unit 3 for 107. I copy.
What you need?
Hey, what did you take, man?
41 Central. 41.
I need you to calm down, buddy, okay? I cannot have you running out into traffic or kicking me, man.
The search of the car revealed a staggering stash. Over 1.4 kilograms of MDMA, more than a kilo of amphetamine, ketamine, and cannabis. But the real shock came with a follow-up search warrant at his home, where detectives uncovered even more: MDMA, cocaine, psilocybin mushrooms, LSD, and a stockpile of 11 firearms, one of them stolen. The suspect's father was also arrested for being a felon in possession of a gun. If you found this video informative, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing.